everyone, welcome to Faewood Mead. My name is Mandy or Faye, you know, whichever. Thanks for being here. If you're new, thank you so much for popping in and saying hi and seeing what this video is all about. Yeah, first meads. We've all had first meads, and mine were not very good. I made rocket fuel, basically. There were a couple that I had a bottle left of since the year tasting and then the tasting before that tasting. These are the last ones, which I don't really mind because they were not good. Except for the banana. The banana was actually okay. So if you're new to this journey, I do have a couple of other videos which I will link down below. If you enjoy what you see, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. And comment, because I do love hearing from all of you. Let's just get started. I'm like, I'm nervous. I have blackberry lavender. I'm gonna save the banana for last because that one was decent. Okay. Whew. I was a little bit nervous for a minute because these were not stabilized. So this, basically the reason I have two, I think I made like too much or something, or I just wanted to play around and test oak out. So one of them is oaked. The one I'm trying right now is not. Oh boy. These were bottled in June of 2020. It is so dry. It like doesn't taste like anything. You can taste the ethanol. Like, I mean, you can taste alcohol on it. I mean, on the nose, it's not good. On the palate, it's not good. You know, some people will tell you, just give your meads time, like time heals all wounds. It does not heal this wound, okay? This is just bad. It's just not nice. Like, I can't even explain to you what it tastes like. It doesn't taste like blackberries or lavender, okay? It tastes like alcohol and bland. Like a bland, tart alcohol. God, I gotta dump that. What did oak do? Did oak do anything? These obviously are just gonna get dumped down the drain. I could use these bottles. This one smells slightly different. It did sit on oak. I don't remember for how long. Two years. Oh, my ears are ringing. It's so bad, it made my ears ring. 100 out of 10 don't recommend this mead. It's gross. It's vile. Oh, it's worse than the other one. It's worse. Oh, it's bad. Bye. I won't miss you. I feel like I need to drink some water. Clean my mouth out. What? Now, mind you, I did not make these on my channel, but I did bottle them on my channel, actually. I think it might have been like on my third video or something, so you can look back and see them. The banana, it was stuck, and then, so it was still for a while, for like the first year, then it was sparkling, and now I suspect it'll either be slightly sparkling or still. I'm nervous. But it was only slightly sparkling before too. Oh, you see that? It smells very spicy. I think the only spice I put in here was cinnamon, but I don't remember. It is definitely still a little carbonated. Now this one is more pleasant to smell than those. I think this was my third mead. I made like a little bundle of them because I got so excited when I first started, but I didn't do enough research. I thought that I did, but I didn't, and I followed bad instructions. I mean, there's that very mild carbonation that gives it kind of like a zinginess, but it does kind of just taste like a cinnamony, more like a banana-y cinnamon. It's more cinnamon than banana, let's just put it that way. But it's actually not bad. I feel like out of all my first meads, this one is always the one that's like, hey, that's not bad. Not good, mind you, but not bad. It's just okay. What can I say about it? It's pretty dry. It's pretty dry and not very banana-y, very cinnamony. I don't know. Overall, they're a bust, I could say. A bust. How long do you all keep meads for? Like, what's your oldest mead? I want to hear what y'all's oldest meads are. I haven't saved any this long. It's usually like I'll have one for my year tasting and then that's it. I don't know, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed it, I suppose. The banana part anyway, the first part, not so much. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Thanks for sticking around. Tell me all about your first meads. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Bye.